Medium and high frequency generators. So first we will talk about the medium frequency generators. The principle of high frequency current to produce almost constant potential voltage to X-ray tube with small size transformer. So as we have seen in generators that the rate of change of current in primary coil, it was determined by the incoming power supply. So medium frequency generator क्या करते हैं, they will convert this 60 Hz or 50 Hz power supply power line frequency to up to the 6500 Hz before it is fed into the primary side of a high voltage transformer. So after the rectification and smoothing by the filter, it will provide constant voltage power supply. So both the single phase or three phase line supply can be used in high frequency generator, and high frequency generators, they are efficient, compact in size and less costly. So to see the overview, we will see the overview. व्यू में हम देखेंगे कि इनकमिंग पावर सप्लाई आ रही है हमारे पास यहाँ पे 60 हर्ट्ज पावर सप्लाई आ रही है, ठीक है. स्टैंडर्ड, इट इज़ स्टैंडर्ड 60 हर्ट्ज करंट है या फिर फ्रीक्वेंसी करंट है या फिर 50 हर्ट्ज है. देन दिस करंट इज रेक्टिफाइड एंड इट इज स्मूथ इनटू द फिल्ट्रेशन, ठीक है. सो रेक्टिफाइड, when it is rectified, it give the 120 hertz pulse direct current. So then after that it is filtered. Then this direct current, this DC current is fed into a device. This smooth DC is fed into a device called chopper. So what is chopper? Chopper is a device that converts the smooth DC into a chopped DC with a frequency of about 6500 Hz pulsed DC. So this 6500 Hz chopped DC supply the primary side of this side of a high voltage transformer that will steps up the voltage. And now you can see in this next slide this high voltage. Now this high voltage 6500 Hz output is then rectified. It is then rectified to produce 13,000 Hz pulse per second. So then it is smoothed by this filter, and then it is smoothed by the filter before applied to X-ray tube. So it provides the voltage to X-ray tube that is nearly ripple free. So now again I will give you the overview that incoming power supply is 60 Hz from our standard input system, and this current is then rectified. Then it is smooth by the filtration, and then this direct current is fed into the DC chopper. DC chopper क्या है? It will convert the smooth DC into a chopped DC with the frequency of 6500 Hz pulse DC. So this 6500 pulse DC, it will provide the voltage to the high voltage side of primary side of a high voltage that will steps up the voltage. Then after that the high voltage 6500 Hz output of transformer, it is again rectified to produce the 1300 high voltage pulses per second. Then it is smoothed by the filters before it applied to the X-ray tube. Then it provides the almost ripple free voltage. Advantage of medium frequency generator. Medium frequency generator supplies a constant, nearly ripple free voltage to X-ray tube regardless of input power. No special power supply is required. These generators are very small in size and generators can kept in as a regular X-ray tube housing. So now let me explain why there is an increase in frequency of voltage input to the primary of a step-up transformer allows the transformer to be made smaller. First of all, you should remember that output is determined by the rate of change of a flux, and voltage is proportional to the frequency. F is the frequency, N is the number of winding, A is the cross-sectional area of a core. So we can maintain a constant output voltage by increasing in a frequency, and we will decrease the number of turns and cross-sectional area of a core. So this complete design changes are required in this. As a result, both the iron core and amount of wire can be reduced to make smaller transformer. So we can, iron core also can be reduced and the wiring also reduced. That will make give the high frequency, that will make the compact size of a transformer. So for larger transformer, it is not contained in the tube head, but still we can reduce it about 1/3 of size of conventional 12 pulse rectifier. So we'll go to the summary. Medium frequency generator provide nearly a constant voltage to X-ray room. They are not depend on the power supply. Operation at high frequencies result in more efficient transformer. They can operate more efficiently. So that can made much smaller than the conventional transformer. So this small size is efficient. It is especially convenient for the portable units. High frequency generator provides high frequency AC waveform up to 50,000 Hz or 60,000 Hz. High frequency generators provide 50,000 Hz. So after rectification and smoothing, it will provide the constant voltage supply, and it converts low frequency into a high frequency. ठीक है, low voltage input into a high frequency, and low voltage waveform that produce high frequency with high voltage output waveform. So as you can see in this diagram, high frequency generator produces high frequency voltage AC waveform. So AC input supply is given through that, converted to a low voltage DC waveform by rectification and smoothing. An inverter, this is an inverter circuit that chops the DC into high frequency AC square. That then it inputs into a high voltage transformer to produce a high voltage high frequency AC waveform. Then again rectification and smoothing produce the potential difference across the X-ray tube. So in this, both single and or three-phase AC supply can be used in high frequency generator. Transformer provides a fixed high voltage with low current. So after rectification and filtration and smoothing fed into the X-ray tube. So what will happen? The single DC chopper क्या करता है यहाँ पे? It will convert AC wave to high frequency DC wave, and inverter will convert DC waveform to a high frequency AC waveform. So it can be used by a transformer. Then after transformer provides a fixed high voltage with low current, and then after rectification and filtration, smoothing fed into a X-ray tube. Advantages of high voltage generators. High voltage generators are smaller in size and they give shorter exposure time. High KVP and MA also can be used with the short exposure time. They give very little ripple, almost 1% of rippling, and there is a less variation in a line voltage. It can be more easily calibrated and controlled and give the better reproducibility and easy to use. So there is a difference in single phase and high frequency generator is that they are different in following these aspects: efficiency, easy to use, quality of outcome. Efficiency of X-ray tube. Okay, efficiency. High frequency generators are best compared to the conventional single phase supply generator. X-ray units require high voltage generators to supply necessary power in an X-ray tube. So high voltage or potential need to maintain between the cathode and anode in X-ray tube that effect on the speed of electrons. Higher the KVP, higher the speed of electrons, then the penetration of power of X radiation will be higher. So three-phase and constant potential systems solve the problem of voltage rippling by delivering a continuous, as you can see, continuous and uninterruptible voltage. High frequency generator fully rectify the AC current and supply the tube with DC current. So why called high frequency generator? Because they measure up to 100 kilohertz instead of a standard supply of 50 hertz. So present high frequency generator use the frequency. So they use the frequency, then fed into inverter rectify technology to produce near constant potential. Advantage of the high frequency generators: it requires less exposure time, nearly it requires half or 2/3 compared to the single phase. They are 2 times more efficient and produce sharper, better quality images than single phase or 3-phase generator. AC power supplies X-ray units with sinusoidal current that results in a peak and troughs. So that leads to X-ray tube to produce X radiation only half of this cycle. So half of the cycle is wave cycle. So in single phase system, high voltage generator convert AC power with half or full wave rectified supply. So half wave rectification results in a peak voltage that drops from 0, now come to 0, then increase again, then come to 0. That's why KVP was used as a parameter earlier days. So nowadays, even after full rectification also, single phase generator will result in up and downs in a voltage. So as you can see, this is up down. So because of that, they deliver varying volt potential to tube, X-ray tube, that affects on the consistency, amount of radiation and penetration power or radiation during the procedure. So only this portion was usable. Lower energy radiations that is of no use, they filter out. So 3-phase constant potential generators में क्या होता है कि यहाँ पे with the advancement of high voltage generator from single phase it comes to 3-phase and then to the constant potential generator. So it's this high voltage generator, say the high voltage generator कहाँ से आया? Single phase, then 3-phase, then we will get the constant potential. So it solves the constant potential solve the problem of voltage rippling by delivering the continuous. So as you can see, the continuous and uninterrupted voltage deliver हो रही है यहाँ पे हमारे पास. So there is no rippling. So high frequency generators fully rectified the AC current and supply the X-ray tube with the DC current. So that will result in a constant stream of a consistent radiation. That's why term kV is used instead of kVp, because it gives the consistent radiation. Ease of use. High frequency generator provide nowadays a digital operators console. So in this operator we can choose exam type. For example, AP lumbar we can choose from here, and AP chest from our list of these options. So enter the thickness of the patient in centimeter and then press the exposure button. So previous days the control panel was we have to preset the this knobs. Okay. So originally when operator has to set kV, MA and exposure time for each exam, if the calculation is not proper, they could be doing many retakes and give higher dose to the patient. So high frequency generator makes X-ray procedure much more easier to use with less calculation. Quality of outcome. So in medium high frequency generator, higher frequency square voltage is sent to the primary side of the high voltage transformer. So high frequency of pulses to high voltage supply of an X-ray generator results in a spectrum of X-ray beam narrowed that potentially lowered the patient dose. So when X-ray transformer operates in a high range of frequency, it becomes more efficient. It can be reduced in weight also and can be mounted in tube head that will eliminate the high tension cables also.